Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here at 5M Family Homestead Channel. Got the whole family in the background except for Easton. Where's he at? I need somebody to tell them that they need to subscribe, like.
Subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a live stream, premiere, or a pig video like this.
Yeah.
So let's get into the video. Intro.
Yes. All right, guys. So if before the in the intro, Easton let the pig out of the bag. Get it? Pig out of the bag. Yeah. Well, we went and got our pig. Here she is.
Tell them the name I picked out for pork chop.
I don't know how much she weighs. Sarah's going to get the bathroom scale and hold her and stand on the scale.
Okay.
Why don't you go and do it?
I don't know. I'm guessing probably what?
30 pounds. 40 pounds.
30 pounds, maybe. Yeah. So.
But look at
Here she is.
Ew, gosh.
She looks like the size of an oversized watermelon.
And those are about 40 pounds.
Oversized watermelon. So today Reed finished up getting the pen ready.
No, just me.
So we got shavings down. The pen is ready to go. Turn around here and show you the gate we finished. We weren't wanting to spend a lot of money on a gate, so we makeshifted this pallet. This whole pen has been built with extra materials, fencing materials and stakes and stuff we had.
You show them what cost you on top of your head?
Oh yeah, you'll see it on the other video, but I was driving a T-post back there. That T-post right there, there, got me. It hurt, about knocked me out. Be careful when you're driving T-posts. I'll show you the gate here real quick. So I got this pallet at work. Bought these $2 hinges at Home Depot and made us a gate.
Not that expensive, probably like $2 or something. No, probably like 20 to 30 bucks, not that much.
Not that much, no.
So everyone,
So we got us a we're gonna feed them in this trough, and then we're gonna make a water bucket with a nipple here in a minute.
I'm gonna sit right there when I do my homework and stuff for the computer, do some work. I'm gonna sit right there, spend time with my pig named Wiggy.
Wiggy?
Yeah.
no, we are not picking up.
Kind of hurts a little bit. It tried to unlock this.
That?
See? It sounds like the hogs.
All right.
Dad's one of the pig grabbing.
Dad's gonna he's gonna get the pig out.
Mr. Wiggy. I'm gonna sit.
We're a master. We watched him do.
Okay. Freaking pin. Okay, there's your home, buddy.
That was a workout. I thought she was gonna get the best of them. So we wanted to see, there's Skylar. Hi Skylar. We want to see how Skylar reacts to the pig.
What is happening? Is this a new dog? Dad, if it rains, where's it gonna go, Dad? Where's it gonna go if it rains?
We're gonna build a pen for it. We're gonna make a little shelter for it.
He's at least not barking at it.
Hey, y'all stop.
Look at my laces. I'm not.
Get up, drop the race! Ow!
She's interested, but
Ow! No, he likes eating my shoes! Oh no! Dad, it's like walls. Wait. Sky, you see Sky's ears?
No, she's not sure about it. I'm gonna name you.
Wait, but what if Skylar attacks the pig, Mom?
she won't. she'll get her tail whooped. No. No.
You need to put the shock collar on here soon.
So from now on, we decided we're gonna do our intro like this.
I grew
Ow, ow, that hurt. Ow, that hurt.
a bunch.
Ow, ow. Are you scared of it?
So guys, friends of ours that we bought the pig from, Dan and Reagan, were nice enough to give us this little nipple. So we're gonna start out with this little bucket for now. We're gonna eventually get a big, probably 30-gallon tub or 50-gallon, 55-gallon drum or something, but this will work for right now. Oh, almost went too big.
No, I was seeing it. Hey, Dad, it's doing like wobbles. Mom, can you close it? Can you pull in those hook thingies? So we can just go like this, Mom.
This is where it bit me.
Because, Mom, we can just go like this.
We can't put it in there now.
All right. Guys, we got the pig settled in. I've warned the kids about naming it, and it's gonna make it harder when it's time to take it to the processor, but as you can tell, Easton's already calling it a name. So we have gone in depth to explain to the kids where this pig will end up in about 6 or 8 months. So Mom's on board with it. I think you're the same height as me again. You're standing on something. Mom's on board with it, with everything that's going on in the world right now. Having different ways to source our own meat is a positive thing, so we decided to do it. As you can tell, our house is right there, so it's not very far from the house. So we're hoping if we've been told, and we're hoping if we keep the pen clean, that the smell won't be too bad. So we're gonna have the kids clean it regularly, and yeah. So what do you say?
I say let's do it.
All right, I'll go show you what we've got the water set up in the feed, and we'll show you that, and then we're gonna have the kids leave her alone and let her get settled in. Guys, this is the water. You can see Skylar. We put the nipple in right there. I put that cinder block on there for the reason right now that she's doing with her nosing around. I hope she can't knock that water bucket off. We filled her feed bucket up with feed, and she right away knocked the whole thing over. So I went and put that piece of particle board on it, and so far she hasn't knocked it over. She's moved it around a little bit, but hasn't knocked it over. So like I said, the kids have been warned where she's going to end up at, so they don't need to get too attached, but they're having trouble. So this will be a life lesson for everybody. So guys, thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.
Well, I need to say that part.
Oh yeah, leave that lamp.
Sorry, I'm taking stealing Easton's thunder.
Well, I'll grab the camera. I'll take it. Okay. Everyone, make sure
Pay attention.
Make sure y'all subscribe. For this buddy right here. Make sure y'all hit that bell for him to get more food for the pig. And make sure y'all comment below if y'all think the pig will either survive or RIP. So, I'll see y'all in the next episode of 5M Family. Peace.
Bye, y'all.